Oh, you're digging, Nak? You're digging. So that's all the construction vehicles of Matthew. Yeah, excavator. What's this? Loader. Oh, there's a dump truck in there with the trees and the what's that? Loader. This one is the excavator.
Oh, bulldozer.
And there's the dinosaur too. Okay, you're digging, Nat. You're digging. Ah! You make a mountain. You make a mountain. Come on. You make a mountain. Ah, you're digging. Oh, you make a mountain. And what's the use of this one? This one is an excavator. Whoop. Woo. He dig on the, yeah, there. Push. He's digging. Okay. Okay. You make a mountain, you make a mountain. We'll make an island now. We'll make an island. Oh. Yeah?
I use a plane.
Oh yeah. You use the what? The cover.
The sun is
Okay, where did you put that one? Put it here on the mountain. Here's our mountain. Put the mountain a tree, Nak. You put a tree on the mountain. You will make what you're making, Nak? What you're making? You're making a
this.
what's that?
Like this.
Ah, excavator, you dig.
Wait.
Okay. You're digging. You make a hole so that we could make a small river. Nak. Oh, are you? How are you? Actually, it's not a white sand. Okay. You pour the sand. You put again. Put again. Ah, you put that. Yes, you put it on the. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy will make mountain. Come on, you play with Daddy, Nak. Daddy will make mountain. Ooh, and then you put the tree there. You put the tree. Wala kay ko nabusog kay si Matthew gilabayan og balas. Oo,
napas lang tinday.
Anak ka nanas sila naapas na?
Adi mo kuan pa sila. Multicap man daw sila.
Oh, the island.
Yeah, the island, very good. You be careful, Nak, because Daddy will make a mountain. Oh, oy, stop digging there. Stop digging there because the mountain is fixed already. Yeah. Oh, you put the dinosaur there. The other tree, Nak. You put the other tree. Look at the other tree. There, oh. Get the other tree. Come on.
The other tree. Give me.
There, the other tree. Ooh. Yeah, you put the dinosaur there. Yeah, you dig and then you get more soil and put it on the mountain. Yes.
Again.
Your cargo. You put here all your car.
There's a little boy there over there. He want to play also. He want to play also. There, oh, they're talking. They're talking. He want to play also.
Oh, cannot
Ito ba?
understand. He cannot
Yeah.
understand.
He want to play because he saw dinosaurs. He saw dinosaurs.
Unsa may imong ngalan? Unsa imong
Ha?
ngalan?
You want to play also?
Ah.
Yeah, digging.
Gagmay mga wala mo kuno.
Dili gihap na nako. Di na mangwala ko na ka diri. Okay, you put there. Oh, digging. And then we will get some water. Daddy, you make a river. There, we already make mountain with the dinosaurs on it. And we on the side, it's a construction vehicles. Matthew, you make a river, come on. Because Daddy will get water, some water. Huh? Yeah? Say thank you for watching. Come on.
For watching.
Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye.
Okay, intro.
Oh, there he is. You want to play also, oh?
That's not
What's
yours. Not yours.
Oh? That's not yours?
That's not yours. Not yours.
Ah, dili daw imo.
Ah, dili daw imo. Do not touch. Ayaw ni Labti. Thank you for watching. Come on. Thank you for watching, Matthew.
Hindi na. Okay, hindi.
Ipakuha niya yung imbak ko. Come on, Nak. You say thank you for watching, Nak. Matthew. Matthew. Say it. Come on. Matthew, say it. Come on. You say it. Matthew. So busy. Matthew, you say thank you. Bye-bye. You say thank you. Bye-bye. Come on, you say thank you. Anay, bye-bye. Come on. Okay.
You have bako?
Bye-bye. Here's the
No.
mountain already.
Na kay bako? Ama ni mong bako.
Here is.
No! Nandito ang pako. Ang pako.
Kuha mong bako ka, kuha ka. Tingnan mo,
Okay.
ama ng bako.